a little bit. First so, as you can see, the motherboard has not been unscrewed, so we can remove it now. So we remove it. Now this motherboard is looks like this. It's a big containing of other things. We have the RAM slots, we have the expansion slots, we have the position for, this is where the CMOS battery lies, these are the capacitors, this is where the CPU goes, then this is where the switch, this is where the cable that connects the power supply goes. Basically that's what I can talk about. And these are the buses, okay, for transferring data within this. This how these are paths followed by data. And so our motherboard is out. The next thing I'm going to remove the power supply, and the power supply, the power supply, we remove it from here. We remove this, therefore, so we unscrew it. We unscrew this one. Keeping whatever we have removed. That does not damage. So when removing this, press down and then we remove it. So this is our power supply. So after removing the power supply, we're supposed to test it. So when testing for it, we use the green and then the green and black ports, black wires, so black cables. So we can, if we had a tester, we would test using any of the black and then the green cables while we have plugged it in. But as per now, we don't have the tester, so we'll put it aside. After, we are going to remove the DVD drive. We shall remove it. We have to unplug this one out. Take note of it. Now we pull like this, then we remove. This is our DVD ROM drive. We put it aside. We remove. This is our hard disk. This PC is having only one hard disk, so we put it aside. We are going to remove the fan. So our fan, to remove it, we remove this one, and then we remove here like this. This is our fan that helps to cool the CPU. This is the fan, and we are going to remove the speaker. This is our speaker. Off. And then this is the cable that connects the USB ports. So you can also remove it, but as per now we shall not remove it. Okay, this is out. This one is for the USB, supplies power to the USB. Remove it. So if you want to remove this, one for the tapes, this one is for the floppy disks. So we'll remove this also. The floppy disk drive. Then we shall remove this one. First remove this one. So as you can see, our system unit is now empty. This is where the hard disk. This is where our hard disk go. This is where the DVD drive enters, and then this is where the floppy disk is supposed to be. In the middle here is supposed to be the space for the motherboard. This is the space for the fan. So basically we have removed everything. Our power supply is supposed to be here, so we have now removed it, and this is how it looks like. So begin by taking back what we removed last, and it is this. I'm going to take it back, and there we screw it. At this position, when I put the front, it won't be, so I'll fit it back. I'll fix it back. Then we put back the front. So our fan is going to put back. I'll put back the speaker. I remove this. I'm going to take it back. And do this. So I'll put it back. Okay. So we are going to take back DVD drive. That one is done. So now we shall fix this back. So we shall take our hard disk, supposed to be here. After that, we shall take back the power supply. So I'm taking back our power supply. Then I'll take back the motherboard, and we should make sure it fits exactly where it goes. On our motherboard we have interface card. This is where the cable for the to take them back the way they are supposed to be. This, and then we screw them. take back our CPU. Remove this out, and this is how it goes, like this. Fits like that, down in place. Then we take back for the heat sink. So we have taken that. So we shall connect. This is the power cable. It goes back in. This one goes back in. So now we have been fixing this. So now we are going to put back, this is the power supply. Power supply goes there. This is the power cable for the hard disk. It will go there. So from this system unit, we have now done everything. So we shall tie this thing. We are going to take back